Hey, get your ball. Hey. There you go. Almost. How do you get your ball? Good. Show Dad how you get your ball.
Anyway, that's more fun.
There you go.
Wow.
Yay! Yay! Grab it. Aw, you dropped it. Here's how you get your ball. Dad's in the way, huh?
Dad's keeping the ball in play.
I did it just fine without you earlier. There you go.
Maybe we have a future Pele in our hands.
There you go. Yeah! Uh-oh. Yay! Yay! Clap!
Good job, Luke.
Clap! You did it! Yay! Clap for him.